Okay, you guys, so I'm excited to tell you guys that we're revealing the wrap today. Well, I should have started with saying, welcome back to the channel, you guys, and we're bringing you another video. So as I was saying, we're bringing you guys another video, and finally the video that you guys been all waiting for. We're revealing the wrap today. I'm super excited. Before I show you guys, I'm gonna show my friends, see their reactions, and after their reactions, you guys are gonna be able to see the wrap. So I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and drive there right now, and yeah, let's make a fun video for you guys. So all right, you guys, so we are about ready to go. Put this thing in reverse, backup camera. There you go. Check if everything's good. I'm not gonna show you guys around because I'm kind of scared that you guys are gonna be able to peep the wrap. So just gonna show you guys like that. We keep going. Hey, shout out to my neighbor for the cleanest Mustang out here. Boy, we made it to your work, bro, and we brought you the car. How does it look? How does it look? How does it look?
It looks dope.
You like it? You like it? Yeah? Yo, the viewers still don't know what color it is, so are you disappointed or do you think they'll be cool with it?
I'm disappointed because they don't know.
Nah, well they're about to find out. Alright. Okay guys, so we're on our way to basically Gabe's and Bruno's work right now. And we're about to show them the wrap, so we're gonna see their reaction first, and we're gonna put this in black and white. So you guys are gonna see it later, and I want to see the reaction first. So hopefully it goes good. I know I didn't do the best job in the world. Obviously I'm not professional, and my dad helped, so he was actually the reason why the wrap came out so good, because if it wasn't for my dad, I probably wouldn't be able to do half the good job I did, or the job we did, to be honest. Because if it wasn't for him, if it wasn't for his help, this car wouldn't honestly be anywhere where it's at. So a huge thank you to my dad. I know he watches my video, so thank you, Dad. And yeah, you guys, we're gonna make our way to their work, and we're gonna see their reaction. So let's get to it. Come on, guys. So we're just pulling up to Yayoi. Actually, fun fact, I used to be an employee here at this restaurant with my friend Gabe and Bruno, actually, and they used to be both my managers. So it's a fun fact for you guys. And check that out. We got already the beautiful 2SS that belongs to my friend Gabe. So we're gonna get out, we're gonna show off the car real quick, and we're gonna check that car out. Sick car. Let me park this thing, you guys. This one out, you guys. My god, every time I see it in person, it's a completely different feeling. I tell you guys, it's just crazy to think that it's a Camaro and it looks so damn good. I mean, Camaros honestly are so much better than Mustangs in my opinion, or at least the newer ones. But god, I mean, look at that. Take a look at that. Oh, and shout out to Gabe. Look, of course, he's basically, this is my dream build, and it's just cool to say that my own friend has it. So just check that out for you guys. It looks amazing. Okay guys, so we have to put our mask on for protection due to the whole virus and stuff. But we're gonna bring our friend Gabe and Bruno out. Hopefully they can check out the car and they take a look. Hopefully they like it. I'm just waiting on them to come out. Basically, I just can't stop staring at his car, to be honest, because the front end is just a lot better than mine. I'm not gonna lie. It's just a completely different monster from mine. Mine looks a little more like boyish, but it's okay. We'll get there someday. So let me go call them out. Hopefully they can come out and check out the car. So here we go.
It looks actually really good. I like it.
Come check it out outside if you can, bro.
I actually like it a lot. That's just fine.
There's just one little area where I kind of messed up, but
still, you do it for yourself, so it's really good.
it looks really good in the sun. Pictures just don't do justice.
Yeah, it looks fire. Yeah, look, you did good, dude. Yeah, it looks flame.
Look at the roof, bro. The way the roof complements stuff. Dude, everything was to be honest.
This is the hardest right here.
Yeah.
That's just hell hard, because even mine spills off right there.
Dude, everything is honestly just like...
You did good on the front bumper.
Yeah. But I mean, we did it. Oh, there you go. That's Bruno too.
Sheesh.
Yeah.
That shit looks fire.
Well, my dad helped me. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, bro. How you doing?
I like it a lot like this.
Thanks, bro. Yeah, bro.
It looks good.
I've been waiting to see what I was literally gonna ask you when we're gonna do
The door is the only part where I messed up. Gabe, we're like, yeah, but we're gonna redo it because we didn't. I didn't take off the door handle.
Yeah, that's
the first one, but the other side I actually took it off.
It's a
Yeah.
because you have the wires inside. You have to off.
Yeah, but the other side I did, you know, so like yeah, there you go. That's
Yeah. Hey, you saved yourself like 3 racks.
3 racks, bro.
That's some real shit. You saved yourself hella money.
Yeah. I can't hear anything, you guys. My God, I can't hear anything. We're 6 feet apart, though. That's it's okay. But my God, wow. So, do you think I should show the wrap?
I don't know. It depends if your view is ready for it.
Hopefully. Bruno, what do you say?
What's up?
Show the wrap or no?
In this video?
Yeah,
or-
in this video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's right there, show 'em.
Yeah.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe.
There you go. All right,
Keep
all right,
moving forward.
all right. So y'all ready? Y'all ready?
Show 'em.
All right.
Wait, should we come?
All right, you guys. So here's the new Camaro. We got a brand new silver wrap. Look, these guys, bro. Social distancing, bro. You guys need to be 6 feet apart.
No, that's 6 to 8. That's enough for all of us.
See, you guys are gonna make me. No. Here we go. Hopefully, you guys like it. In 3, 2, 1. You guys, so continuing on with the vlog, I know you guys really didn't get to see the car much on I guess yesterday's clips, but here I am back at the little carport, and we got ourselves a box here, and that is going to be, you know, essentially the second part to the whole satin wrap. I'm gonna pull out the car, let it warm up, show you guys. Now I can actually show you guys without putting it in black and white, which I'm stoked about. I know for like a quick second you guys thought it was going to be something a little different than satin black, and I have my reasoning to as why I chose this and the plans that I had first. So, you know, I'm gonna throw up first and foremost, I'm gonna throw up some clips of the car when it was gloss black, or the mosaic black that comes from standard from Chevrolet. We're gonna pull out the car, so let's go. The Chevrolet key fob here. We're gonna get a little cold start. Check this out. Yeah. here she is, you guys, and I know the sun is not at its best right now, but well, you guys really can't tell on the camera, but under direct sunlight, you guys, the matte hood versus the satin wrap, actually they do have a bit of a contrast. And the reason why I love the satin so much is because take a look at the roof. I left the gloss black, and the contrast on the roof is so cool. Overall, I just feel like the wrap goes very, very well with the whole like wheel color and setup and stuff like that. And again, you guys, I'm super stoked to actually, you know, show you guys what I did, and to show you like the imperfections that, you know, the car has, you know, since I actually wrapped it. So we also wrapped the little canards here. They're wrapped in carbon, and they didn't come out best, but yeah, you guys, that's the new Shadow 2.0, I guess, if you guys want to consider it a brand new car, because it's not really like a big difference, but I mean it does do quite the difference, because God, you guys, just look at the lines when it shines under the direct sunlight, or like under like this like cloudy ass light. It looks really good. At least in my opinion, it looks good. And I can't wait to like actually take pictures for you guys. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you should, you see, that's the same thing right there. You guys should follow me. The car got revealed first there. And yeah, you guys, I mean, take a look. This is how she stands. And that box over there is gonna be the second phase to this whole wrap. So if you guys thought, you know, that we were gonna leave the car this color, we weren't gonna leave the car just satin black. And the reason for that is because I had a completely different color scheme on like in my head, but the wrap material honestly just didn't work with me, and I couldn't really get it to like basically, you know, like stretch, you know, stuff like that. And it's not the, you know, I don't think it's exactly the company that I got it from, or I in all honestly, I feel like it's honestly just didn't want to work with me. So I had to completely change my game plan, and now we're on like basically our second or like our plan B, if I can say it that way. So now that we have the car here, we're gonna be basically you know, giving it its little like touches. It's second phase for the wrap, and I'm excited, you guys. I'm super excited, but I'm not gonna show you in this video, so you're gonna have to be tuned for the next video. And yeah, you guys, I mean, what else can I show you guys with the car that you guys want to see? We got the front right here, and like I said, you know, I'm gonna throw up a picture to show you guys how much the matte contrast from the satin. You just can't really see it right now when it's kind of cloudy. So I mean, yeah, you guys, I'm happy. You know, I can't wait to actually, you know, do a lot with this car and actually film for you guys. The pictures are gonna come out awesome, so please go follow me on Instagram, and we're gonna keep modifying this car, you guys. So, you know, hopefully you guys want to join me on this build, and I'm stoked. I'm happy. I can't explain it. You know, we also have that Mustang, you know, that's the OG, you know, the car that actually started my whole YouTube channel, the car that started the whole like motivation to actually go out there and build the car. And it was only a 6-cylinder, but I Cobra cloned it, which is, you know, the worst thing you could possibly do to a base model. But I mean, hey, it is what it is. I got hate from people, and I'm over that. You know, now they, you know, like they really don't care for the car since I have this, and I'm planning on cloning this as well. So if you guys are gonna hate me, then hate me, but you know, it's my liking. And at the end of the day, I really can't afford, you know, as of right now, I can't afford the bigger and the badder. So, you know, we're gonna have to stick with this and make it our own, which I do love, because I love working on my cars. As you guys can tell, I basically took this car apart completely and I put it back together. So I'm extremely proud of that. And once more, you know, if my dad helped me on pretty much 85% of installing the wrap. So like, if it wasn't for my dad and him helping me, we wouldn't have the wrap here, or like the car here in general, you know. So like, huge thank you to my dad. I know he watches my videos, so you know, because of him, you guys have to hit that like button and subscribe, because honestly, the car, I mean, it's just a dream come true. And just to know that I get to share that with you guys on the daily, or at least every time that I upload a video, it's mind-blowing. And I hope you guys really like enjoy it as much as I do. So